Meaning of elephant grass.
Elephant grass.
Elephant grass.
Elephant grass.
Elephant grass. Elephant grass, also known as Napier grass or Uganda grass, is a tall and coarse perennial grass that can grow up to 3 meters in height. It is commonly used for grazing land, as well as forage and silage for livestock feed. The grass is also used for erosion control, paper production, and biofuel. Elephant grass has high yields and is resistant to drought and pests, making it a popular crop in many parts of the world. Overall, elephant grass is an important and versatile plant with a wide variety of uses.